Okay, Brendan, this is looking at some footage of you boofing. On the left, it'll be footage of me boofing on the right. But initially, I want to just talk a little bit about rock boofs and some of the flow of current and how to make that work for us. So I'm going to set the current on the right in motion. Trying to highlight how some of the water flows up against the rock and then drops off to the side at the last minute. Some other water like bounces into that water. Wait for the arrows to catch back up to the surges. One of the things that can happen when we're using rock boofs and the water around it really effectively is if we find the part of the water that is not moving to the side very much, we can ride our bow way up on it, just like you do here on the left. And now watch your stern action. The stern goes way down in the water, and the flow actually pushes us off to the side and around the rock. So you see how your stern pivoted around. Now, arguably, you got too much rock or didn't have enough speed, and so you ended up doing more of a rock spin with your stern deeply engaged in that green downstream current. As we think about the boof on the right, what we're actually trying to do is learn how to read that our line to the most air is actually up here along along water that is not dropping off to one side. The water that's dropping off to the side is often the fastest moving. Some of the fastest moving water, it gets compressed up against the rock and re-expands off to the side.